In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively research products and set up a successful selling strategy on Amazon. First off, let's begin by opening your Chrome browser and heading over to AliExpress, which you can find at aliexpress.com. AliExpress is a goldmine for finding all sorts of products, but you'll want to streamline your search by using tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. Although these tools are optional, they can really help you zero in on items that have high sales potential on Amazon. Keep your focus on lightweight, low cost, and trending products, as these attributes generally lead to better logistics and quicker sales. Next, let's take a look at the Amazon Marketplace by visiting Amazon.com. This step is crucial because you need to search for the same product you found on AliExpress. Your aim here is to gauge the competition, read through customer reviews, and get an idea of existing pricing structures. It's also important to verify that your chosen product isn't restricted by Amazon's marketplace policies, ensuring that you're compliant right from the start. Once you've done your research, it's time to turn back to AliExpress to place an order. When choosing a supplier, be sure to pick one that has high ratings, solid reviews, and offers fast shipping. Order a sample first to inspect the quality before committing to a bulk purchase. Testing samples ensures that you'll be selling a product you can stand behind. Once satisfied, you can then place a larger order, which will usually come at a lower cost per unit, benefiting your profit margin. Now let's go ahead and list your product on Amazon. For this, you'll need to create a Seller Central account, and you can do so by navigating to sellercentral.amazon.com. Once your account is set up, click on Add a Product and upload all the necessary information, including product details, images, and pricing. At this point, you'll need to decide whether you'll use Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA for short, or Fulfillment by Merchant, often called FBM, where you handle shipping. A smart move is to consider FBA because Amazon will take care of storage, shipping, and customer service on your behalf, which can relieve a lot of stress and streamline operations. Finally, it's time to promote your products for maximum visibility. A great way to start is by running Amazon sponsored ads, which can significantly increase your product's visibility on the platform. Additionally, expand your reach by leveraging social media channels like TikTok and YouTube to drive traffic directly to your Amazon listing. Consistently improving your product listing by updating images, optimizing titles, and refining keywords will keep your product attractive and relevant, drawing in more potential customers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to researching and setting up your Amazon product sales strategy, setting you on the path to becoming a successful seller. Watch out for more tips in upcoming videos, and happy selling.